Hey everybody, this is Ben Bates with Advanced Basement Systems, and today we're going to be looking at 3 different products, but primarily our PowerBrace wall stabilization system, which you can see right there is the steel I-beams up against the the block foundation wall. They fasten into the floor joists, and as we go all the way down here, you're going to see that it also fastens into the footing of the home. And what's on the wall there? That is called thermal drywall. And the gray piping system you see there, that is our interior footing drain system. That's called WaterGuard drainage, and it is a subfloor system. As you'll see in a bit, it's going to be re-cemented right there. So these products can work in conjunction. One is not needed for the other necessarily, but the PowerBrace system is being installed, as you see right here, to stop a basement wall from leaning or bowing in. It comes with a 25-year warranty. It's a proven solution, and as a matter of fact, it's probably our favorite solution to install out of the variety, I think 3 that we offer. It's pretty quick, it's pretty simple. You know, there's no heavy equipment needed, there's no disturbance to the lawn or landscaping. It is zinc plated, so it looks great. It's going to stay looking like this. It's nice and shiny. It's not going to rust in your home. And we can straighten the walls potentially over time. Sometimes we even straighten them right then and there the first day of install. Generally, we can come back and our patented bracket system at the top where it fastens into the floor joist, we can crank that, we can torque that bolt, and we can push the wall back straight during dry times, usually. So if you or somebody you know needs help in their basement or in their crawl space, or needs help with a foundation wall that's giving them trouble, as you can see here, just a couple of our bread and butter products that work so well together. And or maybe you only need one, but either way, go to our website, see what we can do for you, and if you think that we can help you, feel free, call us or email us. We'll get back to you right away or answer the phone right away when you call, and it's a free estimate. We can come out, have a look, tell you what your options are and exactly what it's going to take to get your home back on solid ground or to get that nice dry basement. So thanks again so much for watching. This has been Ben with Advanced Basement Systems, and we'll see you soon.